Let's say you come into some extra cash, inheritance, bonus, stock sale, or hey, maybe you hit the lottery. You decide to use that money to pay down your mortgage. But after making that big payment, you notice something strange. Your monthly payment doesn't change. And that's when you think, wait, what was the point of that? Here's where recasting or re-amortizing comes in. Most lenders will let you recast your mortgage when you make a large principal payment. That means they'll recalculate your monthly payment based on the new, lower balance, but with the same interest rate and remaining term. Let's break it down with a quick example. Bob has a $600,000 mortgage at 3.5% interest. His monthly payment is about $2,694 with 27 years left on the loan. Now let's say Bob suddenly has $200,000 to put toward his mortgage. If he makes that payment but does nothing else, his monthly payment stays the same. But if Bob requests a recast from his loan servicer, that same loan gets adjusted to reflect the lower balance, and his payment drops to around $910 per month. Huge difference. The process is simple. Contact your loan servicer, ask about recasting, and expect to pay a small fee, usually around $300 to $400. At JVM Lending, we walk borrowers through these opportunities all the time. Whether you're planning ahead or already sitting on a lump sum, we can help you make the most of it. Want to know if your mortgage qualifies for a recast? Reach out to us. We're here to help.